Have you ever looked at the stock market and thought, I wish I understood how that worked? You're not alone. Most people think it's way more complicated than it really is. Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Wealth Mindset channel where we turn complex money topics into simple, everyday conversations. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on easy to understand financial insights. So grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's break down the stock market together, one step at a time. Many beginners feel instantly overwhelmed by financial jargon, unpredictable market movements, and the fear of losing their hard-earned money. It's like walking into a maze without a map or guide. When I first looked into investing, I thought I needed to be a math wizard or already wealthy to even start. That belief held me back for years, but it couldn't be more wrong. A lot of us were taught that investing is only for the rich or the financially elite. That mindset stops everyday people from taking action toward financial freedom. In the US, the stock market is actually one of the easiest ways to grow wealth, but most people still leave their money in savings accounts where it slowly loses value. I created this video because I know how confusing it can all feel at first. But with the right guide, it doesn't have to be intimidating at all. This journey is about helping you see that investing doesn't have to be scary or complex. Let me help you take that first confident step today. Let's take a quick look at what this video will cover, so you know exactly what adventure you're about to go on. Think of this as your financial treasure map. First, we'll talk about what the stock market actually is in a way that feels like discovering how a new world works. No complicated terms, just clarity. Then, we'll explore why people invest and how it can transform your future like a powerful tool in a hero's journey. After that, I'll show you the different ways to invest, whether you're just starting or already saving. Like choosing tools for your quest. We'll also talk about how to reduce your risks so you don't fall into traps on the way. Think of it like your shield on this journey. Finally, I'll help you avoid common beginner mistakes and show you how to take that brave first step into investing. You're closer than you think. The stock market isn't some secret club, it's simply a giant marketplace, like a farmer's market, but instead of fruits and vegetables, companies offer pieces of their business. When you buy a stock, you're actually owning a small piece of a real business. Even if it's just a tiny slice, it grows in value if that company succeeds. So why does the stock market exist? It helps companies raise money to grow, and it helps everyday people like us invest in their success. The market is always moving, and that's totally normal. Just like gas prices, stock prices rise and fall every day, but long-term trends usually go up. Volatility can feel scary, but it's part of the journey. What matters is staying on the path and not letting fear knock you off track. So when you hear about the stock market, think of it as a place full of opportunity, not danger. With the right mindset, you can ride the waves and reach your goals. Investing helps build wealth over the long term, just like planting a seed and waiting for it to grow into a big tree. You may not see results tomorrow, but in time, the rewards will feel like sitting in the shade of your patience. Compound growth is the secret weapon of investing. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. Your money earns interest, then that interest earns more interest. Inflation eats away at your savings silently. Investing gives your money a fighting chance to grow faster than the rising cost of living. Investing plays a key role in retirement planning. In the US, tools like 401ks or IRAs help people save consistently and retire with peace of mind. Even small investments today can create big changes later. That's why starting now, not someday, matters more than you think. People invest because they want freedom, time freedom, money freedom, and future freedom. Investing helps you build a life that's truly yours. Buying individual stocks means picking and owning shares of specific companies. It's exciting, but it also means taking on more risk, so you'll need to do your homework. Index funds and ETFs are like a combo meal. Instead of betting on one item, you get a basket of different companies. This helps lower your risk while still staying in the game. Dividend stocks reward you just for owning them. It's like getting a thank you bonus for believing in a company's success. With automatic investment apps, you can start with just a few dollars. These tools make it super easy to begin your journey without needing a ton of cash. The best strategy is often combining these tools based on your goals, like choosing weapons for different levels in your financial quest. Remember, the most important thing is to just start, even if small. Every step you take today plants a seed for tomorrow's growth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, because if the basket falls, you lose everything. Instead, spread your investments across different industries to protect your journey. You don't need a fortune to get started. Even with just a few dollars, you're planting seeds that will grow over time. Investing isn't about getting rich fast, it's about growing slow and steady over time. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. The more you learn, the less intimidating investing becomes. Stay curious, watch videos, read, and grow your confidence. Every great investor started as a beginner. What separates them is the commitment to learn and adapt. Reducing risk doesn't mean avoiding investing, it means preparing smartly. With the right tools, your journey can be steady, strong, and successful. Don't let fear or greed control your investing decisions. Reacting emotionally to news headlines can lead to costly mistakes. Trying to time the market perfectly is nearly impossible even for experts. It's better to focus on staying invested over time than trying to guess the perfect moment. Investing without a plan is like sailing without a map. Without clear goals, your money could drift aimlessly. Small fees might seem harmless, but over time they can eat away at your profits. It's important to understand what you're being charged. Avoiding these mistakes can save you years of frustration. The earlier you learn them, the smoother your financial journey becomes. The good news is you don't need to be perfect. Just stay aware, keep learning, and your path to investing will only get better. So, we covered what the stock market is, why it matters, the ways to invest, how to protect yourself, and what to avoid. The truth is, you don't need to be an expert to get started, just a willingness to learn and take small, steady steps. If this video helped you understand the basics, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to start investing too. Now I want to hear from you. What's the number one thing that's held you back from investing? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's start a conversation. You're watching Wealth Mindset, where we believe in the power of a wealthy mindset. Thanks for watching. Keep growing, keep learning, and remember, the best time to plant your financial tree was yesterday. The second best time is today.